Hey people, this is your guy Marty here and this is What the FPV. I'm here at this location. Oh, look at it, it's so beautiful. Yeah, it's a defense line dated back to the Second World War. And it's a defense line against the Germans. They want us to eat sauerkraut, but we only like boerenkool. So yeah, we built this to shoot them. And yeah, this is like FPV heaven. Man, there are so many great lines here. Oh, and yeah, the scenery, it looks beautiful, it's awesome. Okay guys, check it out, see ya, bye bye, hey!
Through the years of watching the behavior of an MC, I came to the conclusion that a sucker mind is empty. What I'm trying to say is ingenuity is lacking. Full participation is the only thing I'm asking. Focus your full attention on every word that is expressed, uttered, announced, spoken, or told. Swallow it whole, then let my science explode. But still I'm classified as a sucker, so I overlook, then invent around to get them wise. But you're too busy being beamed up to the enterprise. You have no grasp, no concept, no nothing. But then you criticize the rhymes that I be bustin'. How can you do this when you're spanking brand new to this? Be aware that I'm not the MC to this. I'm just a man that enjoys this type of music, and you don't have the faintest idea of how to use it. For the next few minutes, please let me enlighten you. But don't bite into, or I'll be fighting you. And then that will only add into the crime rate. When my goal is to help you like rhyme straight. You have a very, very, very short attention span. And after this you'll probably be another wishing fan. Knowledge on the loose, and there's no stopping it. You want true enlightenment? Well, I'm dropping it. Casual, fragilistic, let's kick it live again. Do I have to tell you that you're whack time and time again? Here's a brief example of a complicated cut. So what? For a song like this, a cut like that would not be needed. If not used correctly, then the purpose is defeated. For example, sounds much better. However, many are not that clever. To the hip hop. Now yo, just stop it. Many are still stuck on the old school topics. Drop it, forget it, move on, focus all attention this way. This may leave you in a state of confusion. You're choosing, you chose me because I'm your MC. The 1, the 2, the 3, it's me MC will ski. If you dig a little deeper then you see I keep a style of mine. On the other hand, understand I keep a pile of rhymes. Move across the city with the use of only one line. When you get adjusted then I kick out the next rhyme. Knowledge on the loose, and there's no stopping it. You want true enlightenment?
Oh, I'm a bit sweaty, you know. Here, it says 1940. This is the entrance. Hello, somebody here.
Illustrated was a style to keep them all away. But to my surprise, many MCs made the same mistake of taking my material and trying to disguise it. MCs, if you're listening, ski when I advise this type of maneuver which can lead to aggravation. Cause this particular poet takes pride in his creation. So glance at the MC that is standing right in front of you. All my rhymes are fly, sucker, now what you gonna do? Never criticize if you can't take criticism. To acquire knowledge, you must first have the wisdom. See, my mind is open, let me broaden my horizon. Young brother with ambition, so myself I'm not disguising. But many brothers play the stereotype role. All about the money, fancy cars, a lot of gold. The goal is not important and the cost is transportation. So please spread the word to every ear throughout the nation that money is a tool and the mind is in control. Once this is understood, a different person will unfold. Knowledge on the loose, and there's no stopping it. You want true enlightenment? Well, I'm dropping it. Let's end this song of wisdom with a meditated thought. Did you truly understand the lesson that was taught? No, I'm not a teacher, this reality has dawned on me. The other man is blind to the rap music industry, cause he is only human and the money's always green. But some brothers get trapped and then they sell out on their dreams. Knowledge on the loose, and there's no stopping it. You want true enlightenment? I'm dropping it. What I'm saying, cause I'm not gonna sell out to the other man. Down with Roland, the rhythm fanatic, Mix Master D, Big P, Fly Eli, Move and Groove, down with Payroll Records, period, and I'm out of here.